Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna guide you on how to download any video from any website on Mac. Now, in order for this to work out, we're gonna use Brave, or you can use Google Chrome. Right? I'm gonna use Brave, and I'm gonna search for Video Downloader Professional extension. Right? You're gonna find it in the Chrome Web Store. And instead of remove from Brave, you're gonna be able to hit Add to Brave or Add to Chrome. Right? And you're gonna download the extension. And it works like this basically, right? You add the extension right here in your extensions, and you're gonna be able to use it on videos like this, right? So once I downloaded this extension, I'm gonna hit the extensions icon at the top here, and I'm gonna hit the Video Downloader Professional here, right? And you're gonna be able to select the quality of that I choose basically. So hit here, download, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider turning on the notification for future updates. Until next time, see you.